Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be working on this Prius. This is 2019. I'm sure there are different years, but similar way to change your brakes. I might be changing brakes and rotors. I already changed the other side. Now I'll be changing the driver's side, and I'll show you how to do it. So what you want to do first, grab a jack. Grab something to support the car, just in case the jack fails. But to put the jack, it's going to be located right in here. This area right here. That's where you can put your jack under. And let's get started. So I'll be changing brake pads and rotors. I would change the other side. So if you're just changing the brake pads, what you want to do is remove probably just this one right here. Maybe one is enough, I'm not sure. If it doesn't work out, remove the second one right here. And then you can just move this and change the brake pads. Or possibly you can just remove one and then it just rotates. You change it and put it back in. Possibly, but some cars I think you can. This I'm not sure because I haven't done on this one. Possibly you can just remove this one and then do it, or if not, then do the second one. And for that one, I think it'll be 14mm just for the brake pads. But if you want brake pads and rotors, I recommend taking this bolt off and the one on the bottom. The one's gonna be right here. This one right here. I don't know if you can see it right there. Not the second one, but this one right here. That's holding the caliper. And that one would be 17mm. So you have to remove one and second one on the bottom to remove this completely out so you can take the rotor off. If you don't have a leverage, what you can do is lightly tap it, and then you can break it loose. That comes off. You can either take a zip tie and hang it right here like this. What I like to do is just drop it like this. Be careful with the line so you don't mess it up. And this one came off, but the other side didn't come off. It's recommended to have rubber mallet. If not, just tap it with a hammer just a little bit back and forth, and it should come off. That's how you take off the rotors. So to remove the brake pads, what you want to do is just pop it like that. And I would want to make sure, see how it goes, so the new one goes the same way. So pop this one, just location, make sure this one here, that one's there. So when you put new metal pieces, it lines up the same way how this one was. Same thing with the top one, just like that. what I like to do is, maybe some people have different tricks, but to push this out, might want to put this in. And if you're replacing these metal pieces, there should be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll be replacing mine this time. Grab a flathead. Make sure you remember how it goes in. So you put the new one same place. You kind of pop them out. Just like that. And that comes out like that. Came out like this. So make sure you got the same one. Clean it up if you need to clean it up. And then put the new one same spot. Make sure it's pushed in all the way. Same thing with the rest of the. Just like the old one. So if you forgot which ones were, this one has a circle print on it, so that means it's going where it presses in. So once it's identical like this, you can put it in.
Wait, what I do is just push this down by hand.
while you're at it, make sure the wheel hub is good. Like I would move it around, check it. So there's no plate. Looks like mine's good. Now what you want to do is put the rotor in there. Make sure there's no dirt or anything in the way. Sometimes something's in your way and you can't do it. What I do is just kind of screw this one in so it holds in place. So it's not wobbling on you. Now it'll be easier. Put it in. Put the second one in. Take this one off. Tighten these two bolts, 17mm. Once you're done, put the wheel on and you're good to go. But make sure before you start the car, when you run it, pump your brakes so there's it catches because you released it. I know some people also bleed the brakes, and in this video I'm not gonna show that. I'm just showing how to replace it. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.